Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm back with another crochet technique tutorial. I think I'll end up classifying this under the Back to Basics playlist and the crochet stitch playlist. But anyway, today I am here to show you guys how to make a double magic ring. And some of you might be asking, Infiniti, isn't that a little excessive? And you know, I thought that too at first, but really this is perfect for those really high traffic items. So if you make amigurumi or if you do granny square, anything, this is perfect for you. It's also a really good way to make sure things don't come unraveled, because sometimes magic rings do come unraveled if you don't leave enough tail to weave in later, or you know, usually it's that. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to jump right into today's tutorial. If you are a returning viewer to my channel, what is stopping you from hitting that subscribe button? Go ahead and ring that notification bell so I can continue to be a part of your crochet journey. Alright, now let's dive in. So in order to do a magic ring, you guys know that I would normally lay the yarn over my 2 or 3 fingers, wrap it over, behind, and come back to the front to grip it like this. Okay, but for the double magic ring, after that initial wrap, I'm going to do another one, so that I have 3 loops around my fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my crochet hook, and I'm going to put it under 2 of those loops, and I'm going to go ahead and grab that 3rd one and pull it underneath, and then I'm going to chain to secure. Okay, and then I'm going to chain up 3 because I'm going to do a few double crochets in here. So once you get that chain going for you, what you want to do is just go ahead and work your stitches as you normally would into both of those loops of your magic ring. So I'm just going to work up a few here. Nothing excessive, because I want to show you guys how to close this off. Okay, now that I have a few stitches established, I'm just going to pull up a loop so that I can focus in on the center chain here. So like I said, you have 2 loops here. One of them will adjust if you pull on the tail as you normally would. So let's get that straightened out. And you want to pay attention to which one of these loops is moving, so, and from which direction. So I'm going to gently and slowly tug on my tail to see which one of these loops is moving. And it is this one, and it's moving from this side. So what I want to do is I'm going to look at this center ring, because it is the only one that is adjustable. And I'm not going to pull from the direction that it was moving in. So I'm not going to pull from this side. I'm going to come over to the opposite side. And I'm going to pull on it. And it might take a little tug there, but it's going to start adjusting that outer ring so that it cinches closed. Like so. Okay? And now I can just simply pull on the tail to further adjust that ring. Okay, so if this was a complete circle, I would be basically working into a double strand here, and again, that would strengthen the core of my magic ring without adding a lot of extra bulk in there. And again, I would recommend this technique for granny squares as well as amigurumi that you expect to have high traffic in, so that they can't be tugged apart or broken easily and you can enjoy them for a very long time. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crochet content from me. If you've been around my channel for a while, I have a brand new members pattern club over on my website called Hey Craftpreneur, where I get to share all of my crochet, knitting, and Centro Knitting Machine pattern designs with you guys. I publish a couple of blogs each month with the full written patterns, and then I have these exclusive video tutorials that I also include in them. So if you're interested in supporting my content and seeing it continue continue in the future, and you also want to make some of my cool crochet fiber artsy designs, then head over today, hit that Hey Crafterpreneur tab and sign up. I will leave the link to that program in the description box below if that sounds interesting for you guys. Again, I hope today's video was helpful, and until next time, happy making!